Hello guys and welcome to WRO India 2021 season. So I believe that you all have gone through the regular elementary category rules and also seen the general video in which I have explained how the teams will create their video for submission. So this video which we are sharing with you is especially for the randomization of elementary category. So as all of you know, I believe that you all have gone through the rules and you know the theme of this year. So this year the theme of elementary category is energy at home. So let's see the game elements for the randomization of this category. The game elements for randomization of this category are 2 blue barriers, 3 yellow light bulbs, 3 red light bulbs and 1 sun. Apart from these randomized elements, there are other 2 elements, white light bulbs and smart home devices, who by default whose positions are fixed in the equipment area. So for randomization process, what the teams would require is a non-transparent box, and again they have to prepare the slips by the name of 1 and 2. Okay, I'll tell you later like why we are preparing these slips. So now let's see the randomization process. So before starting with the randomization process, for this category, every time the randomized elements will be placed with the reference of this logo, the power bot logo. Every time you will place the elements, you will take the reference of this power bots. For example, you all know that there are light bulb areas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 light bulb areas. So how will be the positioning of the light? How the positions of light bulb areas will be fixed? With the reference of the logo of power bots, the position will be position number 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5 and position 6. This is for light bulb areas, right? And for the barriers, again you will take the reference of this power bot logo. So by taking the reference of power bot logo, you know the barriers will be placed together either above the black central line position or below the black central line. So these are the 2 positions for the barriers, and barriers will be placed together in that area. Okay, sun, for sun again the position will be with reference to the logo position 1 and over here position 2. So now let's begin with the randomization first for our light bulbs. Okay, so for that I'm taking a non-transparent box and I'm putting my 3 yellow light bulbs inside it and putting my 3 red light bulbs inside it. Now without seeing, the participant will shape the non-transparent box and start drawing one by one out. First position, now again shaping. Let's see, second position, third position, now let's see the fourth one again, and fourth position, now let's see fifth position, now it's only one is left, sixth position, right? As always, another participant can help to place the randomized element their area, in their respective areas on with done. So here we are done with the positioning of the randomization for our light bulbs. So now let's see the randomization for our sun. For that, earlier, if you remember at the start of the video, I told that the teams would require 2 slips, naming 1 and 2, right? And you remember that every time you place the element, randomized element, with reference to the power board logo. So we have only one sun and there are 2 positions. So in either of the 2 positions, the sun will be placed. So that's why I have asked to prepare the slips naming 1 and 2. So now I will put both the slips inside the non-transparent box. The participant again, I means I refer here to the participant. So we'll draw 1 out and let's see what it is. Its position 2. Okay. So the sun will be placed on the position 2. Done? Okay. Now we are left with the barriers. For barriers, again, you know that barriers will be placed together, right? In either above the central line, black central line, or below the black central line. So these are the 2 positions. This is the position and this is the position. For fixing that, again I have said that reference to this, it will reference to the power board logo, position 1 and position 2. So let's see, again I'll draw both the slips inside it. First slip and this is my second slip. I'm putting it inside. Let's shake it and I'll draw 1 out. It's 1. It's first. So both my barriers with the reference to the power board logo will be placed here. 1 and 2. Sorry. So here we are done with the randomization for our elementary category. So I know you all know the rules. So the team participants know that the solar cell will be carried by the robot itself. So here we are done with the randomization for our elementary category. All the best.